Now to our forecast, we've got Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. Doesn't quite feel like December out there.
Not at all, but a dramatic change may have us rethinking that statement, right?
If you could bottle up the temperatures between today and what we'll see tomorrow and bring them back this weekend, you'll really enjoy that because there's that dramatic change we're talking about. One thing we're dealing with tonight, though, is some dense fog. This is up in Coleman right now, the Regional Medical Center. You can see the fog really thickening up, 54 degrees temperature. Dew point matches that with calm winds. Again, perfect ingredients for fog. And look at the fog developing here in Summerton. You can see along Highway 78 there, and starting to thicken up quite a bit as well. Temperatures 52, dew point matching that with some calm winds. And the fog is going to be the main story for tonight. Visibility around 0, Tuscaloosa, Jasper area, Coleman, and Gadsden too. We're not really that foggy yet here in Birmingham, but that'll change likely later tonight. Dense fog advisory for everyone for tomorrow morning's commute. So be prepared all night tonight and through sunrise tomorrow. We could see some visibility less than a quarter mile at times. Here you see visibility. Watch how it continues to drop overnight. Some places will stay foggy all night long, but along here and south of I-59, that's where some of the thickest fog could be as you wake up tomorrow morning, so be prepared for that. Fortunately, though, as we get to about 9 o'clock, most of it is dissipating. Just a few areas where maybe there's some water areas, we could see some fog lingering a little longer tomorrow. Temperatures right now sitting into the 50s to around 60 degrees. We're at 56 here in town, as cool as 51 in Gadsden. There's been some clearing of the sky there. That's why I've seen some of that fog, and we'll have kind of a partly cloudy sky tonight. Warm, humid air moving up from the south is all thanks to our old front retreating back north as a warm front near Nashville. But notice here into Fayetteville, Arkansas, we do have our next front coming in. This one will move through tomorrow. It's going to bring us rain and maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well, too. So that's our main story for tomorrow. But following that, we start to see temperatures drop for Thursday and Friday, and a more significant drop in temperatures as we head to the upcoming weekend. We're talking way below average for this time of year. So tomorrow we'll deal with the fog in the morning, temperatures warming up to the lower 70s. Much of the day, other than some drizzle and mist in the morning, fairly dry. But as we get to the afternoon, as the kids come home, that's when there's rain and storms that build back in. Not a lot, though. Much of central Alabama, 1/100th to 1/10 of an inch of rain. Higher total as you get up toward Hamilton and North Alabama can be expected. So on Futurecast, you'll see again the foggy weather developing. When you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll have maybe a little sunshine briefly as the clouds lift. Then here comes the line of showers and some thunderstorms by noon on Wednesday. That'll move into Birmingham as we get to about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So when you get the kids from school tomorrow, be prepared for some of that wet weather. That'll push to the south here. Still some lingering showers by dinner time on Wednesday, but as you get up there on Thursday morning, still have some lingering clouds to start the morning, but gradually the clouds will get out of here. The sun shines back by the afternoon, looking like a beautiful day. Then on Thursday, we'll see starting that cold air starting to move in. That'll continue into Friday, and then a bigger blast of cold air arrives for the weekend, and that's where it's going to feel more like winter, just in time for the first day of winter on Saturday. But what about Christmas? Some of you have been asking. Well, here's the outlook. 54 Christmas Eve, 60 on Christmas Day, but it looks like may have to dodge a little bit of some rain for Christmas this year. So leading up to it, 72 tomorrow, 50s Thursday and Friday. How about 20s for lows, a high of 48 on Saturday, before back to the 50s early next week. And that's a look at your Storm Team's 7-day forecast.